It just came out of the oven, and I want to show you what it looks like. Here it is. You like that? Wait for it. Dine with Devin. Tell me how you're going to make this better in the comments below. There, I have some butter. Just going to melt that butter, add the onions in, and some garlic. Just going to start off with one of these things. The onions take the longest to cook, but cook them nicely and make them a little bit soft. Going to add those carrots next, let them cook down. There's some warmth in there heating up that pan, so that's why the garlic is sitting on top. And while that's going, just going to go ahead and chop up that walnut. And you can see the pan simmering over there. That's what we're looking for, is a nice simmer on the onions and garlic. And just to heat up those walnuts. The apple, we're just going to clean up a little bit. I'm going to leave some skin on there, take the core out, but leave a little bit of skin on there. I see that. And I'm going to come back and chop that up in a minute. In the meantime, I'm adding in some pepper and some salt. Always need some of that to make it great. And continue chopping up those apples into small chunks. Going to take those and in a minute, going to throw them in. While the onions and garlic are still cooking, I'm just cutting up all the bread, and that's just going to be a mixture of white and wheat. I happen to be using a potato bread and Dave's Killer bread, but you use whatever bread is right for you. Lastly, you saw me, I threw those apples in there, and now I'm coming in with some of that hard apple cider and a little bit of the vegetable stock. If you need to have some chicken stock in there or anything else, use that in place of it. But this makes a really nice vegan, vegetarian, and delicious stuffing. If you're enjoying my videos, I humbly ask for your subscription and for you to comment below what you think about this video. Thank you. This is the best stuffing I've ever made in my life. You gotta try this. Check out this recipe up here. It goes with it.